Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing from Artist Couture. So pretty much this is the for review matches. This is the package that I received. I don't know if you guys follow Mac Daddy or if you follow Artist Couture's Instagram, but so Angel had a weekend called Homechella, and it was pretty much because COVID-19 basically canceled Coachella. So he made these little bundles, which I love the fact that Angel is doing like so much to pretty much keep ourselves occupied. The fact that he has an outlet for us to enjoy ourselves, like he does song association on his lives. He's been doing Club Daddy every Friday. He had the Artist Couture Homechella weekend where he literally even planned like special guests and all of that, if you guys tuned in and watched. So the main thing about this Homechella bundle that he had was the access passes. So I was obsessed with this, and I love that it has a lanyard. I might use this for my car keys, but I do love that this came in there. Definitely gonna save this. Let's see what else came. So these Artist Couture pouches came in the bundle as well. Inside of them came two little brushes, and this one is so cute. It's perfect for a little nose highlight or an underbrow highlight. There's this one, and then the bigger fan brush, obvi. Also in that pouch came this little, it's the Gold Digger Diamond Glow powder. How adorbs. It's so tiny, which is perfect for this little brush. Imagine just dipping it in there. There was this one, the Diamond Glow powder, which I was super excited for. Purple Dream, the Diamond Glow powder. Also came the Diamond Lights finisher in the shade Nebula. I didn't even get to finish opening the box, and I'm obsessed. Look how beautiful. It's called Nebula. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful. Do you see that? Can you see that on my finger? Oh my god. Gorgeous. Then there was the Diamond Lip Tease, which is his lip glosses in the shade Climax. It's the packaging. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. I love the wand. This is beautiful. Ah! Okay, I'm obsessed. This is the perfect pink glow. Oh my gosh. This is literally like pinkish gold. Look how beautiful that is. Next item is the Silk Cream lipstick. These lipsticks are new to his line. If I can open the box, I'm struggling. I always break all the boxes. Alright, I suck. So this one came in the shade Boy Toy. I'm excited. Oh my god. Look how beautiful. This is like the perfect nude. The perfect nude with that gloss on top. Beautiful. Or even like the nude lipstick and then putting a little bit of Nebula on top, or even Gold Digger, any of them on top, honestly. First I'm gonna swatch Nebula. This is what it looks like on my finger, and then this is the swatch on my arm. You see that shimmer? So this little one is Gold Digger. It is the Diamond Glow Powder in Gold Digger. Oh my, do you guys see that? This is right here. Gorgeous. I'm obsessed. And then now I'm gonna swatch Purple Dream. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Oh my God. I love that he did this. Because honestly, each of these items separately, they're not so expensive, but the fact that he made this whole bundle $40, plus he has Afterpay on his website, so you can do $10 every 2 weeks, and that's incredible. I think they sold out already. I know I bought mine as soon as he posted it, the first one. He did come out with a second bundle. Thank you so much, Angel, for all your time and dedication that you've been taking into your fans. You literally sit there and talk to us on live, and it's just amazing that you're an influencer and you care about your fans so much to even go as far as having a bundle created at such an inexpensive price for so many of your products. So I'm back. I did my foundation, I did my brows, I concealed, put a little bit of bronzer on, I put my setting powder on. So let's see how these products look. So first I'm going to put some of Nebula on my eye. So grab some product. Oh my God. I'm in love, honestly. Like, do you see that? Beautiful. You literally used what? 2 colors and Nebula. And Nebula is a Diamond Lights finisher. So you can add her on top of anything, honestly. I want to go in with Purple Dream, the Diamond Glow Powder. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? OMG. I mean, wow. For some of you, this might not be it, but for me, Angel, you have exceeded my expectations with this color. The Diamond Glow Powder in Gold Digger. we're gonna do that for, let's see, you can put this one in my cupid's bow, my nose, and underneath my brows. This is like perfect for the end. Any of these are perfect for the inner corner also. I'm over here just glowing to the gods, honestly, because oh my god, that's scary. Back, I put on my favorite lashes. These are the Couture lashes in the style Angelia 303. I bought these on Amazon. It's a packet of 3 for $8.99. I want to put some of Purple Dream in my inner corner. Angel, honey, you're doing amazing, sweetie, because you have a lipstick that smells like Jolly Ranchers. So I love how smooth it is and how easy it is to apply. First off, that smell, all right, I think you guys get it. I'm obsessed with the smell. This is the shade Boy Toy. Girl, with that Sephora sale going on, I'm definitely gonna be buying more colors because I wonder if they all smell like Jolly Rancher. I'm very extra, so I'm going to take a little bit of Purple Dream on my finger. So I am 100% content with this Homechella bundle for the price point and everything that it brings. It's amazing. I have to say, Angel, you really did your thing. You did your thing for us, for your company. I'm obsessed, honestly. If you do not have a diamond glow powder of any color, that should be your #1 purchase from the Sephora sale right now. So as you guys saw, I put Purple Dream on my cheekbones. I put it on my lips on top of Climax, which is on top of Boy Toy, the lipstick. I also put it on my inner corners. For Gold Digger, I put it on my nose and on my brow bone and my cupid's bow. And Nebula is on my eyelids. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for all of the support. I greatly appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.